our family that you don't know that we're going to Vegas.
Going to Vegas.
We're sorry. In a year, no, in a little bit more than a year, it won't be like like nothing ever happened. So please don't be mad. I love you. Sorry to a few of my friends and for family that I like.
Nothing there, so now you want better. And I know I should have held you closer, and I know I should have treated you better in a perfect world, but we're not always what we promised to be. You caught my words in mid-air, the silence hung as you caught my locked away in my mind. I know I should have treated you better.